Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, chapter number 4, continuation of exercise 4.4. Now problem number 2. Again solve dy by dx plus y cos x that is equal to sin x cos x. Okay, look at that. We have dy by dx. At the same time only one y is here, that lies in numerator, lies to the left of equal sign. All the conditions are satisfied, so definitely it is a linear differential equation. Straight away we can write form dy by dx plus py that is equal to q. Here p equals and q equals. P is the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? Cos x. And q is the right hand side term, that is sin x into cos x. Then you have to find out integral p dx. Integral p that is equal to cos x dx. You know the formula, direct formula, integral cos x is sin x. Cos x dx formula, sin x. Now we have to find out integrating factor. Integrating factor, you know the formula, e power integral p dx equals e power integral p dx value, that is sin x. That's all. Then you can go for the solution. Solution: y into integrating factor that is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Y into, now only we got that integrating factor, e power sin x, q that is sin x cos x into integrating factor is e power sin x dx plus c. Okay, so what is q? Sin x cos x. If is e power sin x. Just I have replaced. Now we have to integrate. Now e power sin x into sin x cos x, there is no such formula, direct formula. Already I told you, if there is no direct formula, we can go for substitution method. In substitution method, which one to be considered as t? So definitely have to consider sin x as t, because the sin x differentiation is cos x. Here it is. So consider, let sin x that is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin x differentiation, that is cos x, right? T with respect to x is dt by dx. It's a differentiation. Have to cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will be getting cos x dx that is equal to dt. So listen, sin x can be replaced by t, e power sin x that is equal to t. This cos x and dx together, here it is what it is, dt plus c. You have to integrate. This is algebraic, this one is an exponential. Algebraic and exponential, or in product you can go for isolate. Remember that integration by parts, IBP, integration by parts. Formula integral u dv that is equal to uv minus integral v du. So you must know that concept of isolate. This one have taught in that chapter, integral calculus. So here we have algebraic as well as exponential. Algebraic as well as exponential. Which one comes first? Algebraic. So that algebraic should be considered as u, remaining that is dv. So u that is equal to t and dv that is equal to e power t dt. E power t dt, because formula integral u dv. This is u, the remaining dv. Okay, listen, this one has to be differentiated. Differentiate with respect to t. Since we have dt, differentiate with respect to t. This one has to be integrated on both sides. U with respect to t, that is du by dt. T with respect to t is 1. We just cross multiply, du that is equal to dt into 1 is dt. So we need du, we need u, then we need v. For getting v, we have to integrate on both sides. Integral dv that is equal to integral e power t into dt. Integral dv you know very well, direct formula v, that is v. Then e power t into dt is e power t only, because e power x dx integration is direct formula e power x. Instead of x we have t, therefore e power t. Substitute the values of u, v and du in that formula of right hand side. uv, please listen, u into v, u that is equal to t, v that is equal to e power t, t into e power t. Formula minus integral v du, v here it is e power t, du dt. So e power t into dt plus c, t into e power t, right, as it is. You know that formula for e power x dx, e power x dx direct formula e power x. So e power t dt direct formula e power t plus c. Integration is over. But these two cannot be subtracted, but we can take e power t as common. If we take e power t as common, you will be getting t here minus, since we have taken e power t as common, what will be there? 1 plus c. That's all. Final result in terms of x and y only. So write that left hand side, what is here? Y into e power sin x as it is, e power t. T can be replaced by sin x. Here also t can be replaced by sin x minus 1 plus c. So problem number 2 is over. I will be teaching problem number 3 in the next video. Thank you, children.